Greetings, fellow learners. Welcome back to our captivating number system series. We've ventured through the realms of decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal, unraveling their mysteries. Now, as promised, we're diving into the next chapter, converting binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, and voyaging backward from octal and hexadecimal to binary. Let's continue our epic journey through the wonders of number systems. Our journey begins with the transformation of binary to octal. Binary, the language of computers, will seamlessly blend into the octal realm, which boasts a base of 8. Picture the binary number 110101. We're transitioning it into octal format. Each group of 3 binary digits corresponds to a single octal digit. In this case, we group 1, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 1. After conversion, we get the octal number 65. Onward to binary to hexadecimal conversion. Binary's transformation into the realm of hexadecimal, base 16, is a fascinating journey. Imagine the binary number 10111010. Here, each group of 4 binary digits corresponds to a single hexadecimal digit. By grouping the digits as 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 0, we arrive at the hexadecimal representation BA. Hence, the binary number 101110 transforms into the hexadecimal number BA. But wait, our journey also takes us back in time. Now, we're converting octal to binary, a journey from base 8 to base 2. Take the octal number 6 for 7. Each octal digit corresponds to a unique group of 3 binary digits. For each digit, we replace it with its binary equivalent. So, 6 for 7 in octal becomes 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 in binary. Our journey is complete by returning from the world of hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal's base 16 essence transforms into the language of computers, binary. Consider the hexadecimal number 3, E9. Each hexadecimal digit corresponds to a unique group of 4 binary digits. By converting each digit, 3, E, 9 in hexadecimal becomes 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 in binary. And there you have it, dedicated explorers. The journey from binary to octal and hexadecimal, and the return from octal and hexadecimal to binary, is a remarkable tale that links number systems in a symphony of conversion. If this video enlightened your understanding, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes in our number system series. Until our next odyssey, keep embracing the magic of numbers and the limitless horizons of learning.